So in this question, we were asked to find the domain of this function, which is really all values of x, or the input for which this function is defined. So typically you're looking for either division by 0 or those values of x for which you get taking square root of a negative number. So you want to exclude those from the domain. Now in this question, we have 1 plus x squared in the denominator. Now x squared is always greater than or equal to 0 because we're squaring. So the least it could be is if x is 0, but whether x is positive or negative, once you square it, it becomes positive. So this denominator will actually always be greater than 0, will always be positive. So we have no division by 0. So this function will be defined for all real values of x. So the domain is the entire number line, so every single point here. So the answer is C. A variation of this that you might see is if I had changed it to 1 minus x squared. Now this won't be defined if the denominator turns 0. In fact, that would happen when either x is 1 or it's minus 1. So the domain in this case would be the entire number line with the exclusion of 1 and minus 1. So that's the difference between this function and that. And of course, you will see these variations on the SAT. So to recap, the answer is C.